Hey foodies, it's your girl Treasure Lela and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Moi Moi. Yes, it's not every time rice and stew or swallow. Sometimes try Moi Moi for a change and trust me, you will love it. To our pot, I'm adding our clean mackerel fish, seasoning to choice. I'm using curry, thyme and so on and so forth. Then cover this goodness and allow to cook. And if you want to have a perfect moi moi batter, which is beets batter, you have to ratio your tomatoes, pepper and attaché and shawball 60 to 40. Tomatoes is 40, then the rest is 60. And do not forget, add lots of onions, my lovely. Trust me, when I was growing up, I always feel making moi moi was difficult, but wow, I mastered it. Add enough crayfish. When your beans is blended, you have to incorporate air into your batter, which by whisking and whisking and whiskey. And look at the part that there's air. Look at these bubbles of air inside. After incorporating air in your batter, you go in with egg 2 or 1, then whisk this together. The reason you whisk and incorporate air in your batter is to give it that fluffiness when it's ready. Moi moi is a delicious meat to make and to eat if you know how to make it properly. Then you go in with your onions, lots of it, and add your stock. Any stock of your choice. Chicken stock, I'm using fish stock from the fish we boiled earlier. And continue to stir this goodness to mix it up properly. You have to whisk, or if you're using your turning spoon, you have to use your spoon to turn very well. Then you go in with your seasoning cube. You test, first after adding your stock, test to know the amount of seasoning cube you're going to add to this. Add your vegetable oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Then continue whisking again. I know it's a lot of whisking, but trust me, you love it. Then it's time to go in with our star of the show, the mackerel fish, deboned of course. Then still stir this in, whisk this in, and just like that, our batter is ready. I'll be using some egg for this, so this is me showing you, and this is me trying to tie the leaf. So if you guys want a separate video on how to tie moi moi leaf, please comment on this video and I will give you a separate video for that. So let's get this all going and let's tie this up really fast. Met so many persons in life who say they don't like moi moi generally. Some say they haven't eaten it before, others said the stress of making it is too much for them, while some others said the idea of eating it just kills them. Some say they have running stomach when they eat moi moi because it's beans generally, while some say beans, anything beans is the no for them. But for me, I love moi moi. Then put your pot to fire. These sticks, I got it from the moi moi sleeve. Then I add in hot water, and you see the amount of water I put wasn't so much because this is moi moi. You don't want the water to be overflowing. When you start cooking, you can add the water gently afterwards. Like every 5 minutes, you add additional water every 5 minutes. Then that's it. Cover and allow to go for 45 minutes, and just like that, your moi moi is ready. I had so much fun making this, guys. I don't know about you, but this goodness was so delicious. My neighbors were shouting and begging for more. So just enjoy. Bye and see you in my next video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I love you. Bye bye. Do not forget to tell me in the comment section if you'll be trying this out and tag me if you do, so I'll see how it turns out. Bye.